Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you get back old Cash App account without email or phone number. So simply, guys, you can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here's the option of VPN. If there is a reconnected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may go back and you may just open your App Store, and in search bar you may write here Cash App, and you make sure that you have latest or updated version of Cash App. If you are not latest or updated version, please update your Cash App from here. Then you may click here on open and you may open your Cash App account. So simply guys, you may just wait for some seconds. So this interface will be open. Here guys, you may write your phone number. If you have forgot your phone number, then you may click here on email, and guys, you may just enter your email address. So if you have also forgot your email, then you may click here on question mark, and here the option of I need help logging in. So you may click here and you may check. Here are three options: phone number, email, and cash tag. So if you have forgot phone number, email, so you may just click here on cash tag, and you can recover your old Cash App account through your cash tag. So simply guys, you may just write your cash tag here, and after this guys, after writing your cash tag, you may show your email and phone number, so you can get back your account through your cash tag easily. So if you have forgot your cash tag also, then guys, you may go back again, and now you may do all process again. So let's say guys, click here, and now guys, click here again and click here, and now guys, if you have uh, don't have any of these, so you may click here and you may just wait. So this interface will be open guys. Here you may contact to Cash App support team. So you may scroll it down, and here you may see that here is the option of start a chat, or you may call us at these numbers will be show. So you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible, and you can get back your Cash App account by all these methods easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.